If I told y'all the truth, I'd be banned within 5 seconds. They're trying so hard to ban this book. Over 300 pages of natural herbs and remedies and how to use them to treat various things. This right here is why they're trying to ban this book. I mean, can you really blame them at this point? Just look how crazy descriptive this is. Covers pretty much everything from A to Z. There's literally something for everyone in here. This is the author. She survived 57 days alone in the wilderness with nothing but the plants and herbs she found. Her first book was banned off TikTok Shop for exposing too much. This is her remastered guide and it's way better. This has been one of the best investments I've ever made for my health. Get it before it gets banned. I'll put the link right here on the video.